I'm Saxon from Wild Oak Trail, and our friends at Point Zero Energy just sent us a Titan, so we're going to unbox it for the first time and show you guys exactly what you can expect when you get your Titan shipped to you. So it did ship with FedEx, and we're going to go with this bigger one first. Just while I open this, one of the great things about the Titan is that you can pretty much add unlimited batteries, any types as well, AGM, lead acid. You can do lithium ion. You can obviously use their batteries, and if you have your own, you can always add those as well. So first thing we get is a very easy manual to use. We're going to have one AC charger. We have our MC4 to Anderson adapters for our solar panels, and then we're also going to have MC4 to our SAE wire, and then the Titan itself. So now we'll just double check that here. This is our first box. This is our big boy charger right here. The cords as prescribed in the leaflet there. I will show you here, this actually came bubble wrapped. I just opened it myself, but it came perfectly there, nice and bubble wrapped. Got some good foam on the side, so you know it's being shipped with lots of care. We've got a double box as well. As we know, when things get shipped, it can easily get punctured, the first box, so it's nice to know that not only is it double boxed, but we've also got bubble wrap as well. And so this is the inverter. This allows for 6,000 watts of peak performance, so that you can pretty much start up anything you need with 3,000 watts of continuous use. See here, we've got all of our ports here to set up for our solar, car charging as well, which is nice. We've got those long distance drives, you know, you can power it up that way. And then this is where we click in our quick connect battery system. Now we'll go ahead and set up or open up the box for the battery. So this is also double boxed as well. And we've got bubble wrap all around it. Look at that, nice foam casing on the top as well. All right, actually it's completely encased in foam. And there it is. That is quite the battery. What's nice is it is a heavier system, but is modular, so it is easy to move around. As you can hear, it clicks in. Just lock these into place. nice is they've actually got this on the knob here. It says if it's on or off, so you know if you're nice and clicked in. We'll do a few videos this year, so just gonna see here. There we go. So we do have power. We can go ahead and fully charge this up, but as you can see, we've got some power in here, which is fantastic. We've got, as I mentioned, 3,000 watts of continuous use, and there is up to 2,000 watts for solar charging. So with it being spring and close to summer, keep your eye out for some videos of us charging this on top of using it as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at wildoaktrail.com. Have a great day.